Hey everyone! Did you know that simple edits can completely transform your images? Ever wondered how professional photographers achieve those stunning results? Well, today I'm going to share some super easy Photoshop techniques that can give your photos a serious upgrade. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some simple Photoshop techniques that can transform your images. Trust me, these tools are so accessible that anyone, yes, even you, can improve your photos, no matter your skill level. So, let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, I know that when it comes to photo editing, many of you might feel overwhelmed. There are so many tools and options in Photoshop that it can be tough to know where to even begin. Maybe you think you lack the skills to make meaningful edits, or perhaps you've tried before and just didn't get the results you wanted. You might even feel like it's just too complicated and you're not sure what techniques to use to elevate your images. Sound familiar? Well, don't worry, because today, I'm going to break it down and show you how easy it can be. Exploration/development. Alright, let's dive into some simple yet powerful techniques. First up, adjusting brightness and contrast. This is one of the easiest ways to make your images pop. Just a slight tweak can bring out details you didn't even know were there. Next, let's talk about filters. Using filters can add artistic flair to your photos. You can create a vintage vibe or a modern look with just a few clicks. And don't forget about basic retouching. If there are little blemishes or distractions in your photo, you can easily remove them using the spot healing brush. These techniques are super intuitive, and with a little practice, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Climax/key moment. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Check out this stunning before and after comparison. On the left, we have the original image, which looks pretty flat. But after applying our simple techniques, adjusting the brightness and contrast, adding a filter, and doing some quick retouching, the image on the right is vibrant and eye-catching. Just look at the difference. It's incredible how a few simple edits can make such a dramatic impact on your images. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap it all up, today we covered some key techniques like adjusting brightness and contrast, using filters, and basic retouching. These methods can really elevate the quality of your images, and remember, anyone can achieve great results with a bit of practice. So don't be intimidated, get in there and start experimenting. I'd love to hear about your own editing experiences. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking to take your skills to the next level, be sure to check out my next video on advanced Photoshop techniques for deeper learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.